So let's take a look at this signal. You are given the signal x of t, and then we want to sketch x of 6 minus 3t. As we discussed in class, there are 4 different steps that we can do this. And step number 1, whatever we have inside of the parentheses, 6 minus 3t, and we're going to let that equal to tau. And then we're going to solve for t. So negative 3t equals tau minus 6. And then t equals negative 1 over 3 tau plus 2. We're going to change this t to tau, and we're going to calculate new t's based on this equation. So we have a t new that is negative 1 over 3 times old t, which is tau now, plus 2. And we're going to do this again for negative 3, 0, 3, 6, 9. Those are the points the signal changed the values. So that's why we're going to use those 5 different points. So if you use negative 3, 0, 3, 6, and 9, then our new values are
negative 1 over 3 times negative 3, which is positive 1, so it's going to be 3. 0 plus 2 is 2. Negative 1 plus 2 is 1. Negative 2 plus 2, 0. And negative 3 plus 2, negative 1.
We're going to write this down underneath of all values of t. It's going to be 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1. Then we have, here's the negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So for negative 1 to 0, we have increase from the y value 0 to 3. So negative 1 to 0 is going to go to 3. And then 0 to 2 is going to stay as a 3. And at 2, it's going to go up to 6. And then when we have 3, it's going to come down to 0. The same signal, this time what we want to do, we want to find 2x of t plus 3 and plus 2. That's our new y of t. We have additional numbers inside of the parentheses, so we need to do this again. We have t plus 3, we're going to let that equals to tau, and then t equals tau minus 3. So the t new values, we're going to have old tau minus 3, old tau minus 3. And then again, those values are negative 3, 0, 3, 6, and 9. That equals negative 6, negative 3, 0, 3, and positive 6. If we draw the original signal, again, at the bottom, it's going to be negative 6, negative 3, 0, 3, and 6.
We have a negative 6, it's going to be 6. Then till 3, negative 3, and go down to 3. Negative 3 to positive 3, it's going to go straight, and then this. So this is x of t plus 3.
Now we need to change y-axis. So in the y-axis, we have 2 times x of t, whatever the value, and then plus 2. Since we have 6, 3, and 0, we're going to have 3 different values that we need to find. And we're going to have 6 at the top, 3 in the middle, bottom at 0, and that is 14 and 8 and 2. When we have the value of 0 for y-axis, now it's going to be 2. So we have a 2 and negative 6. When we have a negative 6, it's going to be 14, and then go until 3, going down to 8. And then when we have a 6, it's going to go back to the base. Base is now is a 2. So it looks like this.